The Supreme Court this morning decided that banning bump stocks went against our constitutional rights. Are you people really this stupid? And I want y'all to really listen. The vote was 6-3 to throw out a Trump-era ban on bump stocks, finding on Friday that the Justice Department exceeded its authority by classifying the device, which modifies a semi-automatic weapon to fire with the speed and lethality of military arms like the M16, as a machine gun. The ever-so-crooked Justice Clarence Thomas struck down a rule issued in the aftermath of the 2017 massacre in Las Vegas when a shooter armed with bump stocks killed 60 people at a music festival. So just a friendly reminder, this bump stock ban was done under Trump. Now feels like a good time to remind everyone that guns have been the leading cause of death among children in America ages 1 to 18 for quite a few years now. And in the last 2 years, gun deaths among children and teens has gone up 50%. And I don't want to hear anything about the source. This comes from the Pew Research Center. So I didn't pull this from some biased account or news organization, okay? This is data. These are facts. And this is what the Supreme Court is ignoring, okay? Rights come with responsibilities. And we've learned through COVID and guns and everything else that we cannot depend on public responsibility. Therefore, we have to make legislation and laws to protect Americans. And the Supreme Court failed to do that today. I said this when Trump left office. The most dangerous thing that happened under his presidency were those Supreme Court justices that he appointed. They lied to Congress, they've gone against their word, and they don't represent the majority. And the fact that these judges are completely incapable of leaving their personal bullshit at the door and basing their opinions and dissents on actual case law and information and what's happening in our country instead of, what the rich billionaires who take us to their vineyards in another country have to say. Fact, the Supreme Court and the Republican Party are making our country less safe for our children. Changed my mind.